Welcome to Type to Learn training video series. This training will cover custom content and assigning custom content. Once you've logged in to Type to Learn as a teacher, or if you're an admin and you've selected your building, you're going to want to scroll down to the custom content icon. Once you've clicked on this icon, it's going to bring you to your custom content library. And this is going to give you information as far as what other content has already been designed. So right now we have effect or effect, the life cycle of a frog, and the preamble. It's going to tell you the organization, who owns that piece of content. If that piece of content was shared, it's listed here. And all other members of your organization as a teacher role or admin can view that content. What subject we labeled it, what grades we labeled it. You wrote an introduction, so sometimes it might be a question, as in what is the difference between effect and effect. And you can also preview the content. The other tab is to assign custom content. And when we move to this tab, the first thing you're going to see is the pieces of content that are already assigned. So currently we have 3 groups that have been assigned the preamble. And if we want to assign some groups, we just have to go in and click those groups, and we can click as many groups as we'd like. And then we're going to scroll down and we're going to pick our content. So we want to assign some of our first graders and our third graders the life cycle of a frog. And we're going to scroll down and click Assign. As you can see here, we have now assigned the life cycle of a frog. And if I click on my groups, you're going to see that our third graders and our first graders are assigned. And maybe I want to assign just one individual student a piece of work. So I'm going to click on Josephine Smith. And so I am going to have her work on the content for effect and effect. I'm going to click Assign. And if we go back up, we can see that Josephine Smith has been assigned this piece of work. Now, if we want to create brand new work, we're going to go back over to our custom content library. We are going to click Create New Content. We have the option again of sharing this with everyone else in our organization, which we want to share. And then we're going to come up with our title. We're going to select our grades. And let's do first and second grade. We're going to select our subject. We're going to say Language Arts. And our introduction is going to be who wrote this poem. And then we're going to scroll down, and we can either manually type in the poem or we can copy and paste the poem into the screen. And then we're going to select Create. And now we can see here that colors has been added as a custom content piece in Type to Learn. Thank you for watching this training video on creating custom content and assigning custom content.